Hey guys, this is Lucy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change scale of chart vertical axis in Word. So this is the chart you have inserted in your Word. What you have to do is just right click on the chart and you will see format axis here in this drop down menu. Just click on that and a new menu opens up in the right of your screen. Here you can change the bounds with and you can also change this. You can change this also, and there are a lot of other settings like that, and you can change this. So that's how you change the vertical axis in a chart using Word. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.